So today we're going to learn how to factor quadratic expressions. So how would we factor a quadratic expression like this one? So we're first going to multiply our a value, which would be this term, with our c value, right? So we have our invisible 1 over here. So we're going to be doing 1 times negative 15. This negative is really important. So 1 times negative 15 is negative 15. Okay? Now we have to find factors that add to negative 2 of negative 15. Alright, so right now when you're just getting started, just list out all the factors. So all the factors: 1, negative 15, 2, and nothing, 3, and negative 5, or you could do negative 5 and 3. It looks like that's going to work. So here, what we have to do, we're going to set up two like bubbles almost. Okay, we're going to have our x here and then x here. Remember, we wanted to make it add up to negative 2. So we're going to add 3 and subtract the 5. So that's how you'd factor. Okay, and now we have to divide out this positive 1. Okay, so we're going to divide this by 1 and this by 1. And since we're dividing it by 1, that doesn't really do anything, so it's just going to equal x plus 3 and x minus 5. That's the factored version. Okay, let's do the next problem. So here our a value is 2 and our c value is 6. So we have to multiply 2 times 6. What do we get? 12. Alright, it's all positive, so nothing to do there. Let's list out all the factors. So we have 1, 12, 2, and 6, 3, and 4, and we just get to 6 and 2. So that means we've exhausted all of our factors. We're just going to be repeating. So we pick 3 and 4 for this, and then now we'll have our thing, our bubbles: 2x plus 3 and 2x plus 4. Okay, now we have to divide the 2 out. So we're just going to divide a 2 out by this one, and we'll divide a 1 out by this. So this one's just going to stay the same. It's just going to be 2x plus 3, and then divide both terms by 2. So we'll have x plus 2. Okay? Problem. So I know what you're probably thinking. Let's just multiply this negative 7 by this positive 28, but that's a lot of work. One more thing you have to realize is this, and this, they're all divisible by 7. So what you can do, you can take a GCF of 7 out. So since this is a negative 7, I'm just going to go ahead and take the negative 7 out. So if you divide the negative 7, it leaves us with x squared plus 3x minus, remember this is a plus, so you have to turn it into a minus, 4. Okay? And now you just take this trinomial and factor it just like how we did earlier. Okay? So we have to bring the 7 down. Let's start our bubbles. Okay? So 1 times negative 4 is negative 4. Let's find some factors that will add up to positive 3. There's 1 and negative 4. So what we could do is have it as x plus 4 and x minus 1. That's going to bring us to positive 3. So that's going to be our answer. Alright. Now, last one of the day. Let's multiply our a by our c. So that is 6. Alright. All the factors 1 and 6, that's all we need. So we're going to start our bubble x plus 1. Second bubble x plus 6. Alright, remember we're adding it up to 7, so we need them both to be positive. Alright, another trick you could use is by using these signs. So if the second one is positive, they're probably going to be the same. First one's positive, they're probably both going to be positive. Alright. Okay, last thing, just want to thank you for watching this video. Be sure to like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.